Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today we are going to go over our weekly expenses and make sure that we have the money to pay back our credit card. Also, we did have a family emergency this week. So this is going to be a little bit different than normal. A lot's going to be happening in my videos the next week. So if you want to see how my family is handling this emergency, stick around and see what we do. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so let's just go ahead and start off with our expenses. We're going to be working on this sheet over here. So normally I would go through each point and unstuff them from our binders, but this week is different, y'all. So I said in the beginning, we had an emergency. It's an emergency that we were not prepared for in a certain sinking fund. So my puppies got sick. I have 3 dogs. The youngest is 9. The oldest is like 13. 2 of the 3 got sick this week. I don't want to share all the details, but the one was hospitalized for 3 days. She does have pancreatitis. So it was a lot of, she had to stay at the doctor's all day, and they were, hydrating her up, pumping her full of medication. So we ended up spending $2,250 some on vet bills this week. And I had just started my pet emergency fund, y'all. I had just started it. It had a whopping $150. So obviously that is not getting us anywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and break everything down for y'all. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do starting at this video, and kind of going to be working through it for the rest of the week, because this is a big deal. But we've got the money and we're going to make it work. So starting off, happier times. Me and my husband did go out a couple times on Sunday. We went to Jimmy John's, got some lunch, and then we did go out and get some beers at a local brewery that we really like. And then, we grabbed some groceries, and that was Sunday night, and all was well in the world. And then Monday morning at like 3:30 a.m. is when everything started going down. So the rest of the week is literally just taking care of the dogs. So first vet visit was for the one dog. He luckily just had like some sort of irritation in his gut, and he wasn't nearly as bad as my little girl. So his vet bill was $446.44 for the first round. We went and got a couple things from Harris Teeter while I literally waited an hour and a half for... No, God, I think I was there 2.5 hours waiting for them to just figure out what was wrong with my dogs. So I had to go and grab some snacks. I did get gas, which was $48.23. Next round of vet payments was $785.50. Next one after that was $892.40. My husband filled up his tank of gas at $51.82. I had to pick up some dog food for the dog that wasn't sick. That one was only $16.90. That was great. Few more things from the grocery store to make dinner. And then we have another $127.50 for her last vet visit. And then I had to buy them some special food while their tummies are not functioning properly. So that is $46.32. And that was just for 12 cans of food. Like, it's crazy. Grand total for not even really a full week. This is just Sunday to Thursday. And really it's Sunday to Wednesday because we did not spend any money today. $2,505.81. So now the plan for the week. Y'all, I do not have that money. I mean, I have the money. It's not in one sinking fund. I'm going to have to grab from a bunch of sinking funds to pay this credit card bill off because I do not want to keep it on my credit card. I've been doing really good about paying it off, and I do have the money. It's just kind of everywhere. So the plan for the week, we are going to unstuff all of our binders. Unstuff everything. I'm going to unstuff my 100 envelope challenge box. I'm going to take out all the money from all of my savings challenges, my bills binder, my cash envelope binder, my sinking funds binder. I'm taking it all out and I'm going to do a refresh. I'm also actually, while I'm here, I am going to take out, where am I at? I am going to take out the $2,505. So I'm going to grab that from my sinking funds. I'm actually, because I'm going to be restuffing everything anyways, I'm going to take this prop money because this money is in the bank. This $2,500 is in the bank. So I'm going to take that because I'm going to transfer that money just directly over to the account to pay the credit card back. So that's $2,500, and then I'm just going to come into the cash envelope and take $6 out from groceries. So that accounts for everything that we spent. I'm going to put this aside so that I remember what money has to go back to pay the credit card. I do keep an envelope until I actually make it out to the bank to do the payments. But I'm just going to put this in here so that in my head I know I still have to make this credit card payment. So we're going to stick that in there. All right, now, so what's the plan for the rest of the week, what this week's going to look like? Most likely Monday is going to be unstuffing everything. Seeing how much money we have left between everything. And then we'll probably do kind of our similar schedule. I'll restuff probably our bills binder, our cash envelope binder, and our sinking funds binder on Wednesday, and then Friday I'll probably redo the savings challenges because I still have to print up all those sheets and figure it out. So I'm going to try and lay this out for y'all as easy as I can because I do want to share kind of my whole process during this situation. There will not be a server income video, so I can share with y'all what I made this week now. Because my dogs were sick, I gave up some shifts, and like I said earlier, it is a race weekend. Oh, where did I put that money? It is a race weekend, so I was not planning on working Friday, Saturday, Sunday because I am a ambassador for the race company and I'm working the expo Friday and then the race is Saturday and my husband's doing the marathon on Sunday. So I literally worked 3 days this week and they weren't even great days. And honestly, y'all, my mind was just everywhere. I did not even keep track of what I made each day. I literally threw the money in my wallet and I ran to either pick up my dog or, you know, just come home and cuddle her and be with her. And, you know, that's why too I've been a little bit absent on YouTube. I haven't been watching anyone's videos. I'm sorry. But you know, it's life. We've got to deal with it. These puppies are my babies. I don't have, you know, I don't have human children. These are my children. So, lot going on, but we're going to figure everything out. Let's just go ahead and count what cash we did make this week. So this week's income, which will be included in the restuffing for this week, is going to be 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 284 is what I made for the week, which is not great. I do have a busy schedule next week. My manager, after the week I had, made sure that I got multiple double shifts next week, so that will be good. But yeah, that's about it for today, y'all. I'm gonna try and sit down and figure out exactly what my game plan is, and then we're just gonna figure it out. I mean, that's what you got to do, is just figure it out, and it's not always easy, but we can get through everything. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of a little bit of a downer, but hopefully we'll have fun unstuffing and restuffing everything this week. Okay, I hope y'all have had a wonderful weekend, and this week is going to be better than last, okay? So y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.